Good morning, good morning. As you can tell, I'm not in the car. It's because I actually got ready early / on time. Yeah, so I thought I'd do my 3 positive thoughts for the day. Positive thought number 1, it is another beautiful day. I know I always say that. It's another beautiful day and I have a 6-hour shift. So I plan on going to Disney Springs afterwards to do some shopping, to find Jared a denim vest or a jean vest. I will go into detail more when we get there. Positive thought number 2, I was able to continue to do my devotionals this morning. It's actually an audio one that kind of tells the story of Jesus and Easter. And like does like a day by day, so like Monday is talked about like what the events that happened on Monday, and for those who don't know, there's actually a timeline to it. But anyway, I think it's really cool to kind of listen to it, and they also have like verses to go along with it to prove this is what happened on this day. Anyway, I'm gonna finish getting ready because I have to pack my change of clothes, and then we're gonna head off to work. So I will see you most likely after work unless something interesting happens. So, came home, found an outfit for Jared. I'll show it to you in a bit, and I'll show you mine as well. But I decided to go through the top part of the closet since I organized all of this and went through all the clothes, because I'm trying to go through clothes and do some spring cleaning. I also took out the clothes in there. Up there is winter clothes, so I need those for when it's randomly cold. So now I've got clothes all along here. Yay. So that's what I'm going to be doing for a little while. Okay, so after I think at least 2 hours of working on the closet and going through clothes, look at this. This is all of Jared's and my clothes put away. Well, not all of them. There's still a load of laundry that I have to switch over. But still, and then look at this. Well, the drawer broke, but literally that's all the clothes left put in that drawer that I will eventually fix. Like, we gave away, or we're going to be giving away so many clothes. Why? Because we have way too many. For someone, myself, who spends most of her days wearing a costume or PJs, I have a lot of clothes that I don't really wear a whole lot. And I'm trying to remind myself of that. So, anyway, I'm really excited though, because I have all this space and I'm going to be able to find clothes. Like, I found clothes that I hadn't even worn in like forever. But anyway, I actually have to charge this phone. I've been watching YouTube videos on this while I was going through my closet, forgetting that the battery needed to be charged. And I have to now, actually, I'm into my workout time right now. I need to very quickly take the makeup off of my face because I hate working out with makeup on. And then I have to put my workout stuff on and go for a 25-30 minute run. And also charge this phone quickly. So, well, I wanted to show you real quick what Jared and, well, what I decided Jared's going to wear. I haven't figured out what I'm going to wear yet. So this is going to be Jared's outfit. Don't worry about the wrinkliness. I will fix that today / tomorrow. But we couldn't get a jean vest in time for him, so this is going to have to work. And it's also got white in it, so he's going to wear a buttoned up shirt. We're going to put Pascal on his shoulder, and then he actually has brown, not pictured, brown like kind of Crocs that he's gonna wear, and then I'm gonna wear this with my poofy skirt. Those are my shorts I'll wear underneath it with my purple belt. I will have Flounder on my shoulder. I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna put Sebastian there as well, and then I'm either gonna wear this, it's an open back tank top, it's my Disney Cruise Line tank top, or if I'm gonna wear this, it's got it's a collared shirt. And then I'm just going to put Disney pins on here. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet. This option is more dressier, but this is more like Ariel, so I don't know. And then I'm going to wear my red boots because my red boots go with it. Anyway, I'm going to quickly, like I said, get ready for my workout, and I'll see you afterwards. So I did my run. I've started doing, like, starting at 3.5, I run 3.5 miles for 2 minutes, then I go up to, or I start at 3, then I go to 3.5 after 2 minutes, and then I keep going, and like I just make the speed go up every 2 minutes, except when I get to 5 miles per hour. When I get to 5 miles per hour, I do 4 minutes, and then I go to 5.5 and then 6. And then once I get to 6 and I do that for 2 minutes, I go back down, and when I get to 5 miles per hour, do it for 4 minutes instead of 2. So that's about more or less a 28-minute to 30-minute run. And because I'm running so fast for most of it, I burn a lot more calories in a shorter amount of time. I'm still just over 2 miles with that, but like I'm learning to run harder longer, which is what I really need for this half marathon. So anyway, that said, I was like, what do I was running out of time because I ended up like ironing clothes and doing this, that, and the other thing. And I didn't have time to clean the kitchen. I started getting overwhelmed. So what I did, and I do want to do a kind of like how I deal with my day or how I conquer my day, or like my morning routine versus my evening routine videos coming up here. You kind of know it already, but like I want to give you a play-by-play to understand what's going on in this brain of mine. But anyway, I started to get overwhelmed, so I sat myself down and I was like, okay, I'm going to organize my tasks on what needs to get done, when it needs to get done. And again, these are things I've learned from Amy. And I made a list, like, okay, and I planned my morning for tomorrow, and I was like, okay, what time do I have to do extra things tomorrow? And I do have some time to do extra things tomorrow. And so I was like, okay, I need to get the kitchen clean tonight, but I don't have time to do it tonight. Can I do it tomorrow? Yes, I can do it tomorrow. I could even do it tomorrow evening when we get back, because we're not going to be at Epcot all day, which I have to remember. So anyway, fast forward to right now. I am prepared for tomorrow. I really want to get in, since I do have a little bit more spare time, I want to get in a 30-minute workout, 15-minute run, and an arm workout. It's my goal tomorrow morning, if I actually get up and go, which again depends on how much sleep I get, because I've not been getting the amount of sleep I need to. I swear if that one wakes me up 2 o'clock in the morning to drink out of the toilet, I'm going to strangle her. Yes, I'm talking to you. But anyway, right now what I'm doing is I'm making dinner for myself. I'm using up the last of my, I thought there was something on the wall. I'm using up the last of my spinach spaghetti that I've had like forever ago. I felt like making something for me that I like and I haven't had in a while, and I was like, I want pasta, and that's the only pasta I had left, and I needed to finish it anyway. But what I want to do is get a little fancy with the spices while I'm waiting for it to cook. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil, and then, I'm going to put ginger and a little bit of basil in the actual pasta when it's done. And I'm making soy pasta, which basically when the noodles are done, I just put a little bit of soy milk and a little bit of flour, stir it all together, and it's beautiful. My air conditioner is making really weird noises. It literally sounds like a monster. It's quite terrifying. Anyway, olive oil with the chicken. What is that noise I keep hearing? And then oregano, a little bit of paprika, and a little bit of thyme. Gonna roll that around, marinate that, nuke it in the microwave, and then we're gonna toss it on my spinach noodles when they're done. And I'm obsessed with the dark chocolate peanut butter cups that I made. Oh, they're so good. The only problem is that they're super, super duper messy. I got a little bit of chocolate on Jared's shirt, but we were able to cover it up with a pin, so it's okay. I'm gonna investigate what that noise is. I hate to leave this on a cliffhanger, but quite literally, I keep hearing weird noises coming. What the heck is that noise? Okay, I'm going to talk to you guys tomorrow. Like I said, we're going to Boardwalk in Epcot, and I will see you all tomorrow. Remind me to tell you what the noise was. Bye, guys.